So do you also wish to write gaming articles automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to write gaming articles automatically using AI agents. So as a gaming blogger, my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new details in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the article, and after generating the article, automatically that should be shared as a new post on my Google Blogger account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and Google Blogger using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate gaming blog content using AI agents. So you can keep your blog fresh, save time and focus more on building your gaming community. Alright, so as you all know that as someone running a gaming blog, I need to regularly post fresh content to keep my audience engaged. But writing articles manually takes a lot of time and effort, especially when I have other tasks to manage too. So by using AI agents, I can automatically generate high quality gaming articles based on trending topics, game reviews, updates and tips. So this helps me keep my blog active, attract more readers and even improve my SEO without spending hours writing every day. It saves me time and allows me to focus more on growing my gaming community. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the Google Sheet that I've already created with the name Gaming Articles. And now here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to add the detail over here in this Google Sheet, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the article. And after generating the article, automatically that should be posted as a new post on my Google Blogger account with the status as draft over here. Alright, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my OpenAI account and Google Blogger account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. Alright, so now here to see the working of this automation, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a new detail over here in this Google Sheet. Alright, so let me add the details. And here you can see I have successfully added the detail over here, such as the topic that says latest patch update over here. Here you can see the game name as Apex Legends and the type of article as update. Alright, so now let's go and check our Google Blogger account directly. Here I'm going to refresh my window. And here you can see we have successfully received a new blog article post over here with the same topic and the status as draft. So let's preview the blog. And here you can see the entire blog generated by OpenAI for that particular topic. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account and Google Blogger account by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will direct you to the Pabbly Connect's home page. Alright, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's home page, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 hours every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Write Gaming Articles Automatically Using AI Agents. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need, and also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn My hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now moving back to Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I'm adding new article details in my Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that when I'm going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account. So this is the Google Sheet that I've created with the name Gaming Articles, and these are the fields that I've taken, such as topic, game name and the type of article. And now here before moving forward with I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. But here before moving forward with the connection, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a detail over here in this Google Sheet. Alright, so let me add the details. And here you can see I have successfully added the details over here. And now after adding the details, I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account first. So for that, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under this add-ons, you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this add-on in your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So moving back, and once you're going to install this particular add-on, then you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now moving back, and once you're going to install this particular add-on, then you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so now after refreshing your Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and then you'll be able to see option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here. So from here, you need to select initial setup. And now here under this initial setup, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And then here for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So for the trigger column, I'm going to enter my column as C, and then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building this connection, I'm going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And here you can see it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first row data of our Google Sheets to our Pabbly's workflow, or you can say to this webhook URL. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here before moving back to Pabbly's workflow, you need to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and from here you need to turn on the send on event. So by turning it on, automatically whenever you're going to add a new detail in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the details such as type of article, trigger column, topic, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, and the game name. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received the new response from our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate the gaming article. So for that, I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate the gaming articles. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account. And from here, I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see we have received some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key. And here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is gaming article, and then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see some existing models over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4. And now after selecting my AI model, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I need to enter the prompt that I want to give to my AI to generate a relevant gaming article for my blog. Alright, so here I'm going to add a relevant prompt. And here you can see I have successfully added a prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as topic, game name and type of article. Alright, so now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new details to our Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So that whenever we're going to receive new response to our Google Sheets, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the topic, I'm going to map the topic. Here for the game name, I'm going to map the game name. And lastly, I'm going to map the type of article. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send this request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated. That means the entire article generated for that particular topic. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating this article, I want that article to be posted on my Google Blogger account as a draft post. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Google Blogger. So Google Blogger is a free platform that allows you to create and publish your own blog online. So in my Google Blogger action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a post, so that automatically a post should be posted on my Google Blogger account. Alright, so now here to connect my Google Blogger with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Blogger account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and now here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Now moving forward, and here you can see it is asking me to select the blog ID. So here for the blog ID, let me take you to my Google Blogger account. And here you can see my blog ID is connect, under which I'm going to create new blogs. So here for the blog ID, I'm going to select the ID from this drop down menu as connect. Then it is asking me to enter the title and the content. So again here I'm going to map all these details. So here for the title, I'm going to map the topic received in our Google Sheets. So this is the title, and then here for the content, I'm going to map the article generated by OpenAI. So this is the content, and then it is asking me for the status. So here I'm going to select the status as draft, but you can select the status as scheduled and live also. Alright, so I'm going to select the status as draft, and then it says is draft, so I'm going to select yes, and then it is asking me for some other fields as well. So here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send this request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post on our Google Blogger account. Alright, so now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully received a post over here with the same title. And here you can see the entire blog generated by OpenAI as well. Alright, so with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here let me summarize the entire automation that we just right now created. So here we have selected a trigger as Google Sheets and an action as OpenAI and Google Blogger. So that whenever we are going to add a new detail in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the gaming articles. And after generating generating the gaming article automatically that is going to be shared on our Google Blogger as a new post. Alright, so these were the steps to how to write gaming articles automatically using AI agents. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.